Hey traders, Hyperliquid is up 12% this week, now trading around $41. But here's the twist. 24-hour volume is dropping. That usually means momentum is slowing down. So what's next? Bullish continuation or a trap? If buyers step back in and volume rises, we could see another push up. But if volume keeps fading, this move might turn into a bull trap. Smart traders don't chase, they wait for confirmation. Also, quick update, we've just released our latest Hype Crypto price prediction update, support and targets revealed. Big moves could be ahead for Hype Crypto. We've just dropped our latest analysis with key support levels and price targets you don't want to miss. If you'd like deeper insights, check out our Patreon page, link in description and comments. There's also a starter plan available for just $10 if you want to try it out. Got a specific chart you want analyzed? Feel free to DM me anytime. Happy to take requests. Catch all the details via the link below. Disclaimer, please do your own research. This content is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice.